The objective of this laboratory activity is to compare the viscosity of three liquids and to determine the viscosity of sample liquids.
Materials: marbles, syrup, cooking oil, 25 ml graduated cylinder and water, and timer. Procedure A.
First, put 20 ml of water to the graduated cylinder. Next, grab the marble at the top of the cylinder and use a timer to record the time of the marble to reach at the bottom of the cylinder. Repeat the trial 3 times. For the next procedure, the same process as we did in the first procedure, but in this procedure we will be using oil. For the last procedure, we will be using syrup. So the same process as we did in the first and second procedure. We will drop in the marble and use timer to record the time of the marble until it reaches at the bottom of the cylinder. Repeat the trial 3 times. Calculate the average time it took the marble in moving from the top to the bottom of the liquids. Results: water, time 1 or trial 1, 0.11 seconds. Second trial, 0.13 seconds. Third trial, 0.11 seconds. Average time, 0.12 seconds. For syrup, for the trial 1, 50.92 seconds. For trial 2, 48.77 seconds. For trial 3, 37.37 seconds. And the average time is 45.69 seconds. And for cooking oil, trial 1, 0.15 seconds. For trial 2, 0.15 seconds. For trial 3, 0.13 seconds. And the average time is 0.14 seconds.
Procedure B. Complete the following table. Determine and calculate the viscosity of each liquid using the equation. Calculated viscosity of water. Calculated viscosity of cooking oil. Calculated viscosity of the syrup.
For question number 1, in which liquid did the marble take the longest time to reach the bottom? As what we have observed, syrup is the liquid that takes the marble the longest time to reach the bottom. For question number 2, how would you rank the liquids in the order of decreasing viscosity? First is the syrup, second is the oil, and third is the water. For question number 3, what explanation can you give for the observed viscosities? The viscosity of the liquids are directly related to the IMF and as well as the time. The more the viscous of liquid, the more it takes time to reach at the bottom. The less the viscous of liquid, the less it takes time to reach at the bottom.
In this laboratory experiment, we did an experiment to determine the viscosity of each liquid. These are water, cooking oil, and syrup. By dropping a marble to each liquid using a 50 ml graduated cylinder and calculates the time of marble to reach at the bottom. Our conclusion to this experiment is that the syrup has the greatest viscosity than the other liquids, and water has the lowest viscosity. It is because the marble took more time to reach at the bottom in syrup, while the marble took less time to reach at the bottom in the water of the graduated cylinder.